You know those moments when you are faced with a decision that really matters, not just about passing an exam or completing a task, but also doing what's right even when it's difficult. Those moments don't come with a rule book. That's where values matters. And that's what this course is all about. I am Dr. Hetal Thakur, Associate Professor and Deputy Director at the Center for Distance and Online Education at Parul University. With nearly 2 decades in academia, I have learned that the most meaningful lessons are not only about what we know, but who we choose to be, especially when no one is watching. This course, Human Values and Professional Ethics, isn't here to give you all the answers. It's here to help you ask better questions and find clarity when it matters most. Over 15 weeks, you will explore 6 structured modules, each offering a blend of foundational ideas and real-world relevance. We begin by understanding the nature, types, and importance of values and why value education matters more than ever today. You will examine the value crisis in society and reflect on how values shape your personal and professional life. As we move forward, you will focus on the self, its awareness, development, and how your inner compass influences moral choices. You will learn to apply ethical theories and reasoning like consequentialism, deontology, and virtue ethics in practical context. In the next stage, you will engage with the ethical aspects of relationships, society, and civic life. We will explore how interpersonal ethics, empathy, and social responsibility play a role in ethical living. Then we turn to professional ethics, how values apply in the workplace. We will study actual scenarios from engineering, law, healthcare, and education, learning how to deal with dilemmas where code of conduct and human values intersect. We won't avoid the hard topics either. From digital privacy to the ethics of AI, you will analyze how modern challenges test traditional moral frameworks. Cross-cultural sensitivity and global ethical concerns will be part of our conversations. Finally, we bring it all together with a look at ethical leadership and what it means to be a responsible global citizen. This course is designed not to just make you knowledgeable, but to prepare you to lead with integrity and confidence. You will participate in interactive video sessions, analyze real-world case studies, and contribute to dynamic discussion that offer diverse viewpoints. No prior background is required, just an open mind and a willingness to engage. Whether you are just starting out or already experienced, this course will help you reflect on your core values, respond wisely to ethical dilemmas, apply structured and ethical reasoning, communicate ethical decisions clearly, navigate cultural differences with sensitivity, act with integrity in professional settings. Because in the end, this course isn't just about earning credits. It's about becoming the kind of person who does the right thing, even when no one is watching. Thank you.